Hello friends, as we always bring videos for home decor, today too we tried to bring something beautiful and different, and it's about floral arrangement and floral setting in summers. And we tried to bring a multitude of ideas of floral arrangement in vases and on walls and in big vases and small vases and on central tables, on consoles, and in windows, and in multiple glass vases, in contrast and combinations of different flowers. And we tried to bring uh, so many ideas of floral arrangements, and these all are different in form of wreaths and in bed decor and decor with green leaves and pink flowers and white flowers and tea table or console of central room or the vases in living room and the beautiful branches of flowers and their arrangement. Flowers are a must article of beauty in a home, and a nice arrangement of flowers is something that adds beauty and a touch of art to the home. And the beautiful arrangement matters a lot in the beauty of home. And if you have the art of arranging flowers in vases, in bouquet, in wreaths, and so you can make your home beautiful, and even you can make the crown of your bed beautiful. And if you are flower lover, so you can have multiple vases for your tables, and you can have different contrasts and combinations of different flowers and roses, and you can also decorate some wreaths of flowers, and you can decorate your doors with them as they look a beautiful summer look. And flowers are a must part of summer settings, and they look beauty and artistic too. And if you like our video and content, please like our channel and subscribe our channel and give it a thumbs up. And you can see the type of collection we tried to collect for you. This is diversified and beautiful, and you can choose from this collection for your home. Thank you.